So explain what's going on.
We're changing the controller. We're changing the controller, putting a Mickeen aftermarket drift one. Stop having tire problem issues.
So these are the camber arms that we're changing. These are adjustable. You have to put them together, and my brother, that's what he did. Okay, when you buy these camber arms, these things come separate with them. So you have to. These are the ones that are adjust, but they do come with the camber arms when you buy it, and these are roughly about $150. So in case anyone, if you guys want to get one, here's how to install them. So that it should be smoother right now. For some reason it was shooting in 24 frames per second instead of 30. So now it's a little bit smoother. I don't know if it is, but now it should be. So now it's better. Close that one, and next one's gonna be
This one right here.
Right.
Look at this one.
Where is it?
It's all the way inside.
I think
It's
that
gonna be a
one.
pretty hard one. Because we need to move the whole A-arm assembly. This one just like that. We need to find a way to break it loose.
It's up to you.
If we scream, I think it'll get it off.
Okay. What kind of scream is that?
Not working, man. The scream is not working. What other plan, man? Plan B, hurry up.
Plan B. Okay, scream more.
Yeah, Maquito! Just letting you know his nickname is Maquito.
You got it up?
Oh, shoot, no way. Did I bust the nut?
You did.
Well, that's not good.
Yep, no.
Alright. Hold on. First top drawer on there.
First top drawer? It looks like something. Okay, so it's done now, and now we gotta do the other side, but I'm not gonna show you the other side simply because it's the same exact way as this side. As you can tell, it's more straight, more flush, and not like the wheel it used to be like this, and now it's like this. And this is the old side. As you can tell, it's slanted. It's like slanted a little bit like that. Right now that's at full degree, so it's like about this right now. You're just putting it backwards, that way it's easier to work on. These were $140 if you guys are wondering. So if you ever want to do it, this is a Mickeen setup, that's what he said. And it says the cheapest and one of the best on the market. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like my brother says right here. So is this challenging or is it good? Okay, but overall, same concept on this side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, overall that video was it didn't show much of what the change was in sorry, this is the next morning right now because I'm editing this video right now. Like, it didn't show much on video, but there was a big difference in the tire. You just couldn't see it through video. But it made a drastic change, and I persuaded every one of you guys to try this. So far, as in one day right now, we haven't had any problems with it, but we do drive the car a lot, so we'll see over the past couple of months, see how they do. Thank you for watching this video, and like I said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.